This is Dr. Gibby. I'm with Falls Community Health, and I'm here to talk about head lice. If you confirm that your child has head lice, there are many over-the-counter options available. Read and follow the manufacturer's instructions for applying the insecticide carefully. Most are rinsed out of the hair after 10 minutes, however some are required to be left 8 to 12 hours on the scalp. A second treatment is usually required 7 to 9 days after the initial treatment. For more information on head lice, contact Falls Community Health or your local primary care provider.